we are going to start with the last part of the topic. I'll wind up both the expressions and that will complete the topic. And tomorrow we'll begin with second topic of physics 1. Concentrate energy of a charged capacitor. Capacitor or condenser म्हणतात त्याला. Capacitor किंवा काय म्हणतात? It is called as condenser. What is a capacitor? It's a device which stores electrical energy. Electrical energy त्याचे साठते. How? Concentrate. One plate is positively charged, one plate is negatively charged. You know, as the capacitor is supplied to a voltage source, किंवा a potential source, किंवा a source with a potential difference, like your DC source. Then a source of current rather, free electrons start flowing. Students, जेव्हा free electrons flow होतात ना capacitor, positive plate त्यांना attract करते. But I have to pull them against the force of attraction. I have to perform work. Negative plate repels the electrons because they are negatively charged. But I have to push the electrons towards the negative plate. In both the ways, to pull the electrons away from the positive plate and to push the electrons towards the negative plate against the force of attraction and repulsion respectively, we have to perform work. Where does the work done go? That work done is stored in the form of electrical energy, and that is what is the main use of capacitor, where during the force of either repulsion or attraction, every time to pull them against the force of attraction and to move them against the force of repulsion, work has to be done. That work done is stored in the form of electrical energy, and that is the energy of a charged capacitor. Simple. Consider a capacitor of capacitance C connected to a DC source. Okay, we are a potential difference source, a source of current. Then, by definition, you know that capacitance is given by charge Q dash divided by V. C is equal to Q by V. Okay. समजा if an extra amount of charge, समजा if I am charging a capacitor and if I am adding an extra amount of charge dq, if I am adding an extra amount of charge dq, I have to perform a small amount of work because the charge adding is very small. I have to perform work, and what is that work given by? V q dash. कळलं? So work done in this process is what? Potential multiplied by charge. तुम्ही मला टीचर हे कसं? Because electric potential is, what is electric potential? It is work upon charge. So capacitance of the capacitor is given by total charge Q dash divided by V. If I want to add an extra amount of charge, I have to perform work. The work done is given by V into Q dash. The total work done to charge the capacitor from 0 to a level capital Q is given by Q dash V dq. Q dash V dq. Which value करा मुलांनो? That's it. What we are going to do here? Work done is V Q dash. करा आता. What is V? What is V? It is obviously, we put here like this. हे बघा रे. Work done is potential multiplied by charge. W is equal to V dq. Okay, it's a Q dq येणार to add an extra amount of charge. So what is going to happen here? Therefore, what is W? W equal to integration from 0 to Q of V dq. What is V? V is Q dash by C dq. परत सांगते हा. This is a capacitor connected to an source of electricity. During the force of repulsion by negative plate and attraction by the positive plate, every time we have to perform work to pull them against the force of repulsion and against the force of attraction. The work done is stored in the form of electrical energy in the capacitor. By definition, capacitance of the capacitor is given by C is equal to Q by V. Q dash is the small amount of charge on the capacitor. If I want to add an extra amount of charge dq, small charge dq, I have to perform a small amount of work dw, which is given by V dq. How is that? Because electric potential is electric burden upon charge. हे definition आहे electric potential चं. What is that? V is equal to W upon Q dash. Therefore, W is equal to what then? V into, or we put it like this, dW is V into dQ. Because V is dW by dQ. As I am adding a small amount of charge, I have to also perform a small amount of work. To perform total work, to charge the capacitor from 0 to capital Q of V dQ, what is V? What is V? Q dash divided by C. The total burden to charge the capacitor from level 0 to capital Q is V dQ. What is V? Now this is definition. You confuse करा later. What is V? Q dash by C. घातलं. Therefore what is burden? It is Q dash बाहर निकाला. We'll put it like this. 1 upon C integration from 0 to capital Q of Q dash dQ. What is integration of Q dash dQ, students? 1 upon C Q square by 2 from where to where? 0 to capital Q. Therefore what is burden? 1 upon C upper bound minus lower bound. Therefore what is work? 1 upon C Q square by 2. 1 upon C Q square by 2. Okay? Is the revised? Capacitance of a capacitor is C is equal to Q dash by V. If an extra amount of charge is to be added, burden dW is potential multiplied by the charge. The total burden to charge a capacitor to a level capital Q is integrate from 0 to capital Q of V dQ. V ची value घातली 1 upon C ला बाहेर काढलं. Integration of Q dash dQ is Q square by 2. Upper bound minus lower bound ends the job. This burden is stored in the form of electrostatic energy किंवा electrical energy. You can call anything. Now what is Q? Q is C into V. गाला हो गया. This is half C into V square. What happens? 1C, हे बघा हे C होतं. 1C cancels with this C. आपल्याला काय मिळतं? Half CV square by 2. That's it. So half Q square by C or half CV square, or even we can add, what is C? Half असाच ठेवला. C is Q by V, V square, that is half QV. तीन expressions. Half Q square by C. Q is CV. एक C गेला. हाफ CV स्क्वेअर आला. परत B च्या जागी घाला. परत C च्या जागी घाला. Q by V. You get half Q into V. V cancel. Half Q into V. That's it. Next. हे झालं एक. आता ह्या डायग्राम कडे जरा लक्ष द्या स्टुडंट्स. तुम्हाला नीट एक्सप्लेन करते. बहुत इजी है. And what are the uses also? This is a very important question, even the diagram as well. This is a very important device which is called 4 marks ला येणार. Precisely 2 मार्क फक्त डायग्राम ला. Van de Graaff's generator proposed in the year 1931. ठीक है ना. Van de Graaff's generator पहिला हा काय, ह्याचा काय उपयोग? सबसे पहले Van de Graaff's generator is a device which is used to produce a very high voltage of the order of 10 raised to 7 volts. कितना? 10 raised to 7 volts. आपलं 230 वोल्ट आपल्याला बेर होत नाही. आता तरी पावसाळ्यात तरी तुम्हाला बटन ऑन आणि ऑफ करताना चटके बसत असतील इलेक्ट्रिसिटीचे. सो वी कांट बेअर 230. इमॅजिन 10 raised to 7 volts में तो आमची तंदूरच होऊन जाणार. करेक्ट. तेवढं हाय व्होल्टेज याचा प्रोड्यूस होतो मुलांना. सो व्हॉट इज Van de Graaff's generator? It's a device which is used to produce a very high voltage of the order of 10 raised to 7 volt. Uses आता सांगून देते. It is used to produce nuclear reactions. It is used to obtain radioactive isotopes. It is used to study the internal structure of the nucleus. Okay, and it is used to produce radioactive disintegration reaction. म्हणजे एखाद्या एलिमेंटला डिस्ट्रॉय करणं, त्याच्या न्यूक्लियसला डिस्ट्रॉय करणं आणि न्यूक्लिअर बॉम्बचा जो बेसिस आहे त्याच्यासाठी जी काय इलेक्ट्रॉन्स किंवा न्यूट्रॉन्सची गरज असते, दॅट कॅन बी डन बाय दिस अप्लाइंग दिस व्हेरी हाय व्होल्टेज. आय विल रिपीट. What is Van de Graaff generator? It's a device which produces a very high voltage of the order of 10⁻⁷ volt. It is used to produce nuclear reactions. It is used to produce radioactive isotopes. It is used in the radioactive disintegration reactions, and it is used to obtain a large number of electrons. Free electrons are provide करण्याचं काम त्याचं. कळतंय? It consists of what? It consists of a conveyor belt. बघा, गिरणी बघा, गिरणीचा पट्टा कसा असतो तसा हा बेल्ट असतो. पिठाची गिरण, तुमच्या डोक्यात काय मला सांगता येत नाही, पण पिठाची गिरण जशी असते तसा हा पट्टा. हे पुलीज आहे जे असतात ना ते व्हील्स ते. सो इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ दिस कन्वेयर बेल्ट विच रोटेट्स ऑन पुलीज P1 and P2. डायग्राम क्लिअर दिसतं ना. इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ कन्वेयर बेल्ट which rotates on pulleys P1 and P2. Okay. This is spray comb C1, which consists of a large number of pointed wires. This is also spray comb C2, which is attached to a dome-shaped spherical conductor. Spray comb C1, it is attached to a very high voltage DC source. म्हणजे 10⁴ 10,000 voltage provide केलेलं असतं. So the spray comb C1 is attached to a very high voltage DC source, and spray comb C2 is attached to this spherical conductor. It's a dome shaped spherical conductor. बघा हा, this is a metal plate attached to this steel chamber A. Metal plate असते which is placed inside the pulleys, and that is attached to this chamber, that is A. What is this? This is a discharge tube consisting of small little particles in the form of protons, deuterons and all. This is a discharge tube here consisting of particles such as protons, deuterons and all. These protons and deuterons are accelerated in the vertically downward direction, and they strike against this typical target. Target may be radioactive element and all that, due to which radioactive disintegration reaction, radioactive isotopes and all can be produced. ओके, एकदा रिव्हिजन. तुमच्या डोक्यात गेलं तर परत एकदा सांगते. कन्वेयर बेल्ट rotates on the pulleys P1 and P2 respectively. C1 and C2 are the two combs, फण्या कशा असतात तशा, consisting of a large number of pointed wires, group of pointed wires. Spray comb C2 is connected to a dome shaped hollow spherical conductor किंवा dome shape. डोम म्हणजे मस्जिद वरचं जे हे असतं ना शेप तसा. डोम शेप spherical conductor. Spray comb C1 is attached to a very high voltage source. The assembly of pulleys, discharge tube, spherical shaped dome shaped conductor is placed in this big large chamber A. It's placed where? In this big large chamber A. This is a discharge tube consisting of a large number of particles in the form of protons, deuterons and all that. झालं. आता एक्सपेरिमेंट कसा करायचा? कुछ नाही. Put this DC supply on. हा DC volts ऑन केला ना, a large number of positive charges are accumulated on this spray comb C1. By means of a motor, जी डायग्राम मध्ये नाहीये, by means of a motor, the pulleys are put on. Pulleys are put on. Due to which the conveyor belt म्हणजे गिरणीचा पट्टा फिरवायला लागला. गिरणी ऑन करायची, कळलं? गिरणीचा पट्टा फिरायला लागतो. It's the conveyor belt starts rotating. The spray comb C1 is attached to the DC source, which supplies a large number of positive charges. These positive charges reach the spray comb C1. This is an insulated belt. The conveyor belt is put on. The pulleys are put on by means of an electric motor, which is not shown in the figure. The belt starts rotating like this. कंटिन्युअसली काय करतं हे डीसी सोर्समुळे whatever positive charges are accumulated, they are spread on the conveyor belt. These, as the belt rotates, the positive charges reach here. The positive charges are received by the spray cone C2 and are distributed over the dome-shaped spherical conductor, that is S. बघा हा, पहिला इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर ऑन करायची, conveyor belt rotates. The spray cone C1 is connected to a DC source, a very high voltage, due to which या हाय व्होल्टेज मुळे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस आर ॲक्युमुलेटेड हिअर. ती मेकॅनिझम असते मुलांनो, हाय क्राउडिंग ऑफ पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस हिअर. द पॉझिटिव्ह अक्षता कसे टाकतो ना आपण लग्नात तसे, द पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस आर स्प्रेड ऑन द कन्वेयर बेल्ट. द पॉझिटिव्ह चार्जेस रीच हिअर, they are received by the spray cone C2 and distributed over the spherical conductor. Okay, due to which a very high voltage starts due to continuous accumulation of positive charges. Large number of a very high voltage starts developing. Very high voltage. ते हाय व्होल्टेज एवढा हाय असतं की हा नेगेटिव्हला जर मेंटेन केला, हा पॉझिटिव्ह झाला आणि हे निगेटिव्ह, आणि ह्याच्यात जर प्रोटॉन्स घातले, then the protons potential difference is too high. The protons or the deuterons accelerate with very high speeds and energy in the vertically downward direction and they strike against the target. कळतंय? To prevent the leaking of these positive charges of the spray cone, accumulation वाढत जातं मुलांनो. To prevent the leaking, what is done? The spherical conductor is placed inside a metal chamber A. आणि त्याला ही मेटल प्लेट लावलेली असते, म्हणजे हे ओव्हर क्राउडिंग चार्जेस इन्सुलेशनसाठी. हां, अँड दिस मेटल कंडक्टर ए इज अर्थड. ओके, मेटल कंडक्टर ए इज अर्थड स्टुडंट्स, म्हणजे ते दाखवलेलं नाही आहे डायग्राममध्ये. अर्थिंग म्हणजे काय? टू प्रिव्हेंट द लीकिंग ऑफ चार्जेस इनटू स्पेस अँड ऑल दॅट, द एंटायर डोम शेप्ड स्फेरिकल कंडक्टर इज प्लेस्ड इनसाइड द मेटल चेंबर. Also, a typical gas such as nitrogen and freon is placed in the gap between the inside the metal chamber. The reason is that it prevents the, what we can say here, it provides proper insulation. इथे सगळं नायट्रोजन गॅसने भरलेलं असतं. Freon also is used to prevent the or we can put here to prevent the charging or protect it or providing insulation. That's it. बघा हा, police, conveyor belt, discharge tube, spherical conductor, metal container, metal chamber. Spray cone C1 is connected to a DC source. When the DC source is put on, positive charges accumulate on the spray cone C1. हा conveyor belt आहे, which starts rotating. Electric motor ने हा conveyor belt put on करायचा. Positive charges are continuously sprayed. They reach the spray cone C2. Received positive charges are distributed on the dome shaped. The continuous accumulation of positive charges, what happens? Results in a very high voltage. That due to that high potential difference, protons get accelerated in the vertically downward direction and strike against the target. To make the proper insulation, a metal plate is connected to this metal conductor, which is earthed, to prevent the leaking of charges. Also, there are gases like nitrogen and freons, which are enclosed inside the metal chamber A for proper insulation. That's it. Students, ह्यानी तुमचं टॉपिक संपतो इलेक्ट्रोस्टॅटिक्स. In the next period, I'll begin with second topic of section 1. ठीक है? That I'll begin tomorrow itself. Bye for today.